Similar to groceries, fuel, and my steadily increasing power bill, the cost of just about everything continues to go up, while the value and quality of so many products and services continue to go in an opposite direction. Hiking, backpacking, and camping gear are no exception. Increasing material costs, tariffs, and increasing fuel prices are all driving prices up across the outdoor industry. And because specialized outdoor gear already comes with premium price tags, it's more important than ever to seek out rugged, budget-friendly equipment that delivers real value. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 more budget-friendly backpacking gear gems that you can pick up for under $20.
First up is the very compact and lightweight titanium BRS 3000T. This is the kind of stove that almost disappears in your hand, and when you pack it into a small cook kit, it barely takes up any room at all. It also comes with this nifty, highly visible cinching storage pouch. When I see a $17 stove though, I'm not pretending there aren't trade-offs. I find the 3000T's folding pot supports, they need a fair bit of finger dexterity during setup. And with such a tiny profile, it's super important to position one's cooking pot directly onto the center of the stove to avoid tipping. Cooking is one of those areas where prolonged setup can become frustrating, especially if you're tired and hungry. So I don't look at this as the perfect stove for every single backpacker or every single trip. But as a backup stove, a minimalist option, or a small stove to keep in a budget kit, this is a very interesting piece of gear. And that's what I like about the first few items in this video. They're small, specific tools. They're not trying to replace your entire setup. They just solve one problem without costing too much. With cooking covered, there's another small problem that can show up after a trip, and that's what to do with your empty fuel canister. Made from iron and weighing about an ounce, this is the isobutane canister hole punch tool by Sooyeah. It's not a flashy and frequently used piece of backpacking gear, but it does solve one real problem. Empty fuel canisters can add up and can be awkward to deal with if you don't know how to properly dispose of them. The tool allows you to purge residual fuel and puncture canisters so that they can be readied for recycling or proper disposal. It's not exciting, it's just useful. And sometimes that's the point. A good budget item doesn't always have to impress. Sometimes it just has to remove one annoying obstacle, leaving you free to focus on your next adventure. Next up, we have the 1-liter reusable ThruBottle by CNOC. Made of high-density polyethylene and designed to fit well into most backpack sleeves and pockets, the ThruBottle is equipped with a 28mm spout thread that's compatible with third-party sport caps, as well as filters such as the Sooyeah squeeze. I recently had the chance to run mine through a few accidental drops while out on the AT, and it held up like a champ. The ThruBottle is also dishwasher safe and includes metric and imperial measurement lines. Next up, we have the speed hanger by my friends over at Hilltop Packs. This is one of those pieces of gear that almost looks too simple to be of practical use. Essentially, it's a small titanium hook attached to 6 feet of cord. That's about it. But when camp is wet, muddy, or just a little chaotic, keeping gear up off the ground starts to matter more. Instead of setting your pack down in the dirt or laying small items where they can get damp, you can hang things where you can see them. This means less digging around, less bending over, and less wondering where you put the thing you had in your hand just 30 seconds ago. And because it's only 0.4 ounces, this is the kind of item that can easily earn a spot in one's pack if you're the type of backpacker who prefers a cleaner camp setup. Of course, hanging gear only helps with one kind of camp chaos. The other problem is inside the pack. Small items disappear fast, and the more worn out you are, the more annoying that gets. Here we have the somewhat recently released clear zipper pouches by Hilltop Packs. The big advantage is obvious as soon as you see them. They're clear. So instead of opening every little bag in your pack, trying to figure out where the repair kit, charger, first aid item, or small accessory item ended up, you can instantly see what's inside. The small pouch is around $14, the medium $18. Both are under an ounce. That might not sound like a huge deal while you're readying your pack at home, but in the backcountry, when you're low on light or trying to maximize time, not having to dig through a mystery pouch matters. Both pouches are made from waterproof clear vinyl, and for me, one objective is simple: group small essential items and make them easier to find. This is where budget gear can get really strong. It doesn't need to be dramatic. It just has to reduce friction. And if it saves you time every time you open your pack, that starts to add up. Now the next one is a little bit different because it's not really trail gear, but it supports the whole system around your gear, and that still matters. This is the backpack hanger by Hilltop Packs. At about $12, it's made right here in the USA from high-density PLA and has a max capacity of 90 pounds. Again, this is not something you'll be carrying on trail. But if your backpack usually ends up on the garage floor, in a corner, or leaning against something dirty between trips, this gives it a dedicated space. A backpack is one of the more expensive items in a gear setup, so storing it better kind of makes sense. This keeps it up off the floor, keeps it more visible, and makes your whole gear area feel a little more intentional. A good budget upgrade doesn't always have to make your pack lighter. Sometimes it just makes your system operate a little bit smoother. If you're enjoying this video and would like to regularly dive further into backpacking and related content, please consider subscribing by hitting the button below. Now back to the list. Next up, we have the Zpacks mini hairbrush with mirror. At first glance, this might look like a basic vanity item. And of course, you can brush your hair with it. But the 2-inch mirror is what makes it even more useful on trail. If you're hiking in tick country, having a small mirror can help you to check areas that are otherwise difficult to see. That turns this from a little grooming item into a hygiene and safety tool. And because it folds down small, it's easy to tuck into your ditty bag or hygiene kit. Next up, we have the Patikil backpack rain cover. Whether you're using a smaller day pack or equipping something larger, you'll find a size that works best for you, even going all the way up to 85 liters. I've got the extra small and large sizes here. Patikil rain covers are emblazoned with a high visibility reflective strip, which is a nice detail if you're walking near roads, campgrounds, or anywhere visibility matters. A rain cover is simple, seldom used gear in most environments. They're not complicated, and they're not going to replace good waterproofing inside your pack. I still like to use pack liners and waterproof stuff sacks for the things that really need to stay dry. But a rain cover can still reduce how much water your pack fabric absorbs, and that can make wet weather a little less annoying. Foot care isn't exciting until you need it immediately. A hot spot can turn into a blister, and a blister can make every step feel way worse than it should. This is the Adventure Medical Kit Moleskin Blister Dressing. Useful and versatile, these assorted pre-cut shapes have spared me from added discomfort on several occasions. Each shape's adhesive is designed to stay on longer, which matters when you're walking for hours and your feet are warm, sweaty, and shifting inside your shoes. Included alcohol wipes help to clean affected areas before you apply. Something this small can have a huge impact on one's comfort when the day's hike is far from over. On warm days, sweat can get uncomfortable fast. It can drip down your forehead, run into your eyes, or just make your face feel gross after a while. Sweat absorbing, flexible, and breathable. I've got the Tokyo Misfit Japanese headband here. Stylish, and more than just a plain strip of fabric, this is a convenient polyester and spandex blend that works well while underneath the hat, and is available in several patterns and colors. This is a perfect accessory on hot summer days for when you need to stay a bit more dry while crushing miles out on the trail. Now, it wouldn't be a proper gear list if I didn't send you off with a parting bonus item. And this one definitely won't fall into the traditional backpacking gear category, but it might be one of the smartest items in this entire video. Here I've got the Dr. Meter luggage scale. With a small scale like this, you can weigh your full pack or individual bags and components, your shelter, your sleep system, your food bag, etc. It's about $7 and can be toggled to measure kilograms, pounds, and ounces. Now you're not guessing. You're working with actual numbers. And before you spend money to drop a few ounces, this may help you to figure out exactly where that weight is actually coming from. So what do you think? Is there anything I haven't covered here that you think should be on this list? Let me know down in the comments section if you do. And if you enjoy digging into budget-friendly backpacking gear items and would like to explore even more, go check out the video over here. And as always, stay safe out there, guys.